What up? What up? Chef Chris in the house. What is going on? Can you hear me? I had a little bit of a technical difficulty. Alright, cool. Yeah, I don't know what was happening. I had to reset my whole computer. So I'm trying a trying the mobile and the regular stream. Labradobber, what's going on? I am back. Sorry about that. Coach Singh in the house. How you guys doing? How you guys doing today? Let's see. What up, Red? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I was just testing out some things. Yeah, testing out some things. I was testing out that portrait view. Stole it from you. But I just tried it once and then the mic wasn't working. So I think everything's working now. I don't know, I had to reset my whole computer and then it started working, so I don't know. Still getting crushed on you funded. I made it back 50K. Now I'm down 600 again. Ouch. Yeah, it's kind of tough price action. So the interesting thing right now is that the initial balance on the ES has broken to the downside, but it has not broken the data low or the data high. So it's literally right in the middle of this data candle. And for NQ, that's creating some serious kind of choppy action. So yeah, it's a little bit kind of tricky. So yeah, so I figured out that vertical output. I don't know what it does, but I guess. When I first put it on, when I first just tried it, I had a bunch of people come on the vertical output, but not the horizontal output, which was interesting. Yeah, I think so. I think so, Red Candles. I don't know. I'm an idiot when it comes to this stuff. Like, I'm really such a boomer when it comes to tech stuff. Yeah, you were the one that I was like, oh, I go, what the heck is going on here? Well, I used to see that Trader TV Live or whatever it's called, the Canadians, like we were talking about, doing it, and I never really knew what it was for, and then I realized, oh, I can just click the button on Streamlabs and do it, and like you said, like, oh, appreciate it, Red. Yeah, no, I was just like, it's like, well, if I'm streaming anyway, then I might as well just... Yeah, the Small Cat Gappers, yeah. Yeah, I like their show. I listen to it sometimes. I usually listen to it after I'm done trading or whatever. I'll just listen to it because I don't want to listen to any future stuff. I'm usually over the market, but... So yeah, it's pretty cool. Their channel's grown huge. I would not be a bit surprised that Top Step TV and like copied them, because they were doing it first, and then Top Step TV started doing it. Makes me nervous to take a long until ES sweeps that low. Down here it's 538, and normally I don't really pay attention to the ES, but today I think with the data, I think it's pretty important. So we'll see. Oh yeah, for sure, Red. Yeah. I'm sure you just reach out to one of them and they'll hook you up. I was supposed to go on Top Step, but I haven't heard anything from them. So doing well. How's the rest of you guys doing? Doing well today. I did blow 2 funded accounts, my funded futures, and currently working on another eval. Resets are only $57, well, $58, 57 and some change. So I did reset 2 of them and get this one up to about 50%, and then this one I'm gonna work on. I feel like we're just gonna push the lows here. Here goes ES wanting to push those data lows. I can check my calls. I sold calls, so. Woo. Get down there. So what I did today, the initial balance. So here's the first hour of the day. So a little is right here. Actually, I'm gonna make a box. Box. So here's the initial balance right here on ES. And here's the data candle. So what I did is, once we broke to the downside of this initial balance, I waited for a push back up about 50%. We're about here. And then I sold the calls, the SPX calls, the 655, 555s, and 6560 calls spreads. And if it takes out the other side, then I'm out. So that's what I did. that's the plan. Sovereignty, what is up? We're gonna blow in this trade day funded. Oh no, red candles. Paul S. So here's what I did. This is what blew my account. This was stupid. So I did not wait for the initially I didn't wait for this first inside bar, which actually paid today really well. What I did is I was in short. I was playing around with the market earlier, just after news. I was up about 350 on each one of these accounts, and we had this big drop here, and it kind of wicked below and pushed up. I ended up trying to take a long right around here, and it immediately flushed me out, like hard flushed me out. Actually, it was right here. It almost looks like the same pattern. It was right here. So we actually pushed down and we pushed up with this candle. We started to break above the VWAP here. I went long. I didn't even have a chance to put my stop in. It immediately like pulled back hard. It pushed back up just slightly. I ended up trying to take a short, thinking that, oh, we're just gonna keep pushing down lower. The ES is probably gonna push down the data low, and as you can see, we put in this inside bar here, and it pushed up and it killed my account. So on to my funded futures. Apex looking really good today. I passed the 250k Apex, which was not easy to do. Yoda in the house, Paul in the house. I love Chuck Roast. What's going on, guys? Smash the like button. Just kind of testing out some equipment, trying out the old dual stream thing for an hour or so. See if we can get some trades in too. I'm gonna try to close out these options. ES swept the data low here. Hey Francis, hit DLL on your Tradeify. Oh, sorry to hear that. Oh, nice, Yoda. Now, I wonder if NASDAQ goes back and tests the overnight low. Wait for a little setup here where ES is pushing. So this account right here is going to lock in for a payout pretty much. I'm going to make $100 tomorrow. How hard can it be? But yeah, I got to make $100, and then I'm locking in that payout. This one I reset. It's a funded core account, $200. I made $1,500 on it today, so I need 4 more days of 100. I'll lock in the payout. How hard could it be, right? And then so I'm working on this evaluation core account here. Hey Juan, what's up? Welcome back. Sorry about the mishap earlier. The mic wasn't working. I don't know what was up. I had to reset my computer and everything. Chef Chris in the house. So yeah, so I have reset a few of my funded future accounts. So overall, I am not net positive, even if I take this payout. So keep that in mind. Yeah, I've reset a few times, so 200 bucks adds up. So I'd have to do the math. I haven't done the math quite yet. Been these call spreads for $1.25. They're currently trading at 30 cents, so that's good. Trying to close it out here at 20 cents. Just in case the market decides it wants to rebound. Danny, what is up? What is up? What is up? How's gold? Oh, gold traders scare me. Yeah, gold is kind of rounding over for the most part. I mean, it ran the data wick low, has not ran the data wick high. But yeah, pushing down 36.80. Yeah, Chef Chris. So not too bad though. I mean, I think so. I've done some few dumb things with the My Fund of Future accounts, like today. Like I should have just locked in the payouts, right? I was up like 1,000 on one of them, and I should have just kind of like shut it down there, but I didn't. I got greedy. I was trying to build up a little bit of a buffer to not try to smash or pass those, or earn and burn those accounts. It's kind of what I'm trying to do, but oh, thanks, Red. Yeah, I don't know why the mic wouldn't work. It was crazy. Thanks. It's back and forth. Yeah, so those of you who don't know, if you guys are watching on the mobile, I do have a horizontal view as well. Kind of got the idea from Red, and then giving it a shot. Hopefully to get more views or more people tuned into the channel. That's the hope, especially tonight. Long at yesterday's close, Slick Rick? Possibly. I mean, ES did sweep what it needed to sweep so far. $35 points away from the yesterday's close for unchanged. Getting a little push up here. Hey, TJP in the house. What is up? What is up? Good to see you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is, you know, obviously unannounced, so. I am trading NQ. I have two views going, so if you go to my channel you can switch over, see my full screen. This is for like the YouTube shorts. How do I join your channel? I don't know. Just click on my name. Or whatever. Just my channel. Let's go, Biblical. Leaking blob. What is going on? Is it 5 p.m. already? I know, it feels like it. No, I was kind of testing out some equipment and stuff. Trying out the YouTube Shorts live as well. All right, 911s now. Bounced off that 23,900 psych level. Top of the hour in about 5 minutes. Congratulations, Biblical. So awesome. All right, getting a nice push up here. Hey, Sports Don, what's going on? I wonder what CPI is gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of crazy, but I mean, we are just right up at all-time highs again. So isn't gold, ES. YM was really pushing down earlier. Yeah, it's still kind of pushing down. Trying to think how I can show my chart better on the vertical view. Maybe something like that. I think I like that. I like that. Between IB low and IB high. Yeah, so I was talking about that earlier, where ES was struggling. So it never took out the data high. Put in the initial balance, came down, cracked the low, and then pushed back about 50%, and it's come back down and cracked the low again. So, but it also took out the data low. So, do we push back up and take out the data high? I mean, be a crazy move, but it could happen. And you used to afternoon conversations containing many cuss words? Yeah. Ready to see how this inside bar... Yeah, I know. I kind of... I mean, I'm being patient right now, but... Starting getting that choppy afternoon grind, so... All right, pushing back up. I wonder if we push up towards the VWAP. We'll get top of the hour here in about 2 minutes. So NASDAQ has taken out the data low. It has not taken out the data high yet either, so... Might not. Check out gold here. Gold's right at the VWAP. Check out YM. YM's pushing up. ES is pushing up. Yeah, no, we haven't taken out London lows either. What's a data candle? Oh yeah, no problem. So it's the news candle. Yeah, so this news candle right here, this 5-minute news candle. So we took out the bottom of that news candle, 7:30 Central Time, 8:30 Eastern. So oftentimes what happens, the market will come and it'll test those levels. So yeah, no problem. Yeah, no, sometimes we just take that for granted, some of those the terminologies. What's another one that's like that, like if I say I'm going short, it's like, hey, his Royal Trades, what is up? Sorry I missed you in chat. Yeah, saying when I'm saying going short, like some new traders that have never traded before, they don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I know it took me a long time to figure out what going short meant when I was first trading. Yeah, I did. I copied red candles. I don't know how it's gonna work or if it benefits anything or not, but I'll give it a shot for a few days. I put the effort into trying to figure out how to do it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, it's chopping bad. Yeah, it's chopping bad. Whew. I'm running some stops there. Oh, top of the hour. I was like, what the heck's going on? Yo, design in the house. What is up? Oh, it's a 10-year? Alright. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. Yeah, we'll get the 10-year going on right now. That's why you're seeing a little reaction. Obviously tomorrow we get CPI, unemployment. That should be fun. And then Friday, University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. So I did pass a Buellanox today too. Passed a Buellanox. Locked in. Should have locked it. Pretty much have locked in this payout. Got a free sign in. So Buellanox is 83% off, guys. If you guys want to use code PINE. Option 2 is Pine 2. So if you want to use 75% off option 2, it's Pine 2. But currently 83% off option 1. 25Ks and 50Ks. Oh, let me get signed in here. Wrong password. I don't think so. Just copy and paste it. There we go. So I did pass a Buellanox today too, the one I was working on the other day on stream, and I needed about $1,300, and I did not quite full port it on the news, but pretty much. Also locked in another base hit day on Buellanox. 2 trades. All right, market's still trying to want to push up here. Kind of a little bit of a rejection up towards the VWAP. What's ES doing? ES pushing higher. Yoda. Let's go, Yoda. Oh, I do. Oh, you're talking about someone else? Because I do have codes for Buellanox. ES at the VWAP, the VWAP. Yeah, Apex as well on sale. Use code PINE. Appreciate that. 1 minute chart. The site sales like 91% also. Oh. Oh, cool, Yoda. Yeah. So my Buellanox code will get you on option 1. Will get you $29 for an option for 50K, and it is $24.65 for a 25K on option 1s. All right, we'll see. If we end up pushing down here. Hope we don't get that slow grind up for the rest of the afternoon. So. Yeah, so mine, my option 2 would be pine 2, because you have to change it for each one, which is stupid. I'm not sure what that'll give you. Cool, Yoda. Yeah, Bulanox really doesn't give out special codes for anybody. Only like Apex. Oh, cool, Yoda. Yeah, so yeah, it's stupid. Like Bulanox, you have to change your codes for everything, and it's kind of dumb. So because they have two deals going on right now. And the only reason why they went 83% off is because Apex went and did their own. So, oh, inside bar here. I'll take it, but boy, it don't feel great. We'll see it in action. Alright, let's set it up. That's basically how I do it. So just to break to the upside. If it breaks the upside, I go long. If it breaks the downside, I go short. And the stop's just gonna move on the opposite end of the candle. But feels really choppy at the moment. I would actually like to see a break to the downside on this candle, to be honest. And maybe we kind of roll over and put another leg down. Maybe head down towards the London lows, the overnight lows. It's kind of what I would like to see, but with systematic trading, you can't really have the bias. You know, you just gotta take it. You know, if it works 70% of the time, you're gonna lose 30% of the time. So it's just one of those deals. Yo, Tyler, what is up? What is up? My Apex accounts are looking great, Tyler. Passed the 250k today, too. I smashed one, too, but I passed one. Those are hard. Yeah, I'll see if I can hold on to that one. We'll try for sure. Let's see. Pull up the apex counts. I'll pull them up just a minute. Hey Josh, what is going on? All right, another inside bar here. So generally, I like to take the first one if there's two in a row. So, but there's just no momentum. Yeah, we're just kind of stuck for sure. I do like the short better. I mean, it looks better. Okay, swept that inside bar there. Yeah, this is on the eval too, guys, and I'm gonna go in heavy, but kind of like thinking maybe I don't go in heavy, just one, because I don't like the lack of momentum. Didn't quite get triggered short there. Alright, we're triggered short now. What happened to my bracket? That was weird. Alright. See if we can get a rollover. I don't know why the bracket disappeared. I was in a bracket order, but disappeared. The force to task. I haven't quite had a chance to look at that design, but I will look at it. I've just been kind of busy messing around with thumbnails and trying to figure out how to do this dual output stream on YouTube. What is up, Wayne? What is going on? How was your day? TradeRate has been having issues taking people out of copy trades. Yeah, it literally just disappeared. I don't know what happened. So I gotta stop up there at 933. It's about a, I don't know, 12, 13 point stop. 13 points, I guess. 2 minis on an eval. Let's roll this bad boy over. Let's make a new leg lower. We take out the 1-to-1. I'll probably look to take one off. Nice move. I'm looking for more. If that was a funded account, I probably would have just took it off on that quick move down, but on this eval, I'm trying to push it a little bit. Just break it down below the 9/10s now. There we go. That's what I want to see. Here's your 1-to-1. The other one's at break even. Alright, stopped out there. 375. Nice start. Yeah, it was a good 1-to-1 there. Pretty much. Maybe not quite. I do think we could push down below, make a new leg lower, and then test this area down here as well, if you're still in short. Cove used it last night on a gold bounce, picked the bottom of rotation back up, and you almost got 300 just like that. Oh, nice. Oh, that's the flush we wanted. So yeah, so these are the Apex accounts. Can't really see it on the mobile, but so I passed that 250K and up 400 on each of the PAs, 4 PAs I have. So I got these PAs up over $3,000 each now. So just kind of grinding higher. Looking good so far. Wow. Should have held, huh? Oh, you worked, yeah, you took it after that closed below. Yeah, that was probably the safer play. Definitely. It's usually the safer play. Looks like I got taken out. So yeah, so that just kind of goes to show you. I mean, really, it's just you gotta just stay patient, you know. Stay patient and wait for those setups. I mean, I'm guilty of button smashing myself, but you can see, like, besides the chop zone right here, didn't really work that well. Biblical, who's in the chat, waits for a close above or below the inside bar. It would have kept him out of all these. So it kept him out of all this chop. So whichever way you want to try to trade the inside bar, I mean, either way works. So should have held, yeah. Slick Rick, you scalped a quick long. Nice. Yeah, we are pushing down. ES also pushing down. ES hasn't made a new low yet, but it is trying to push down. Yeah, smash the like button, guys, for a little testing out the stream, the vertical stream a little bit. I'm glad I tested it out because for some reason the microphone did not work at first, so. Alright, pushing down again. Now we just gotta be patient and wait. I think we're going to 800s, 870. Yeah, possibly. JC Trades in the house. Let's go, Lay. Played the first inside bar, was done. Let's go. That's the way to do it. Whew, really coming down now. $882s, pushing down to the 872s, 50s is a low. ES about ready to make new lows right now. 65.38. ES holding that low. We're gonna pour low on the ES. 65.38. Looks like we might bust down through it here in a second. And there it goes. Three-minute inside bars worked as well. This is something I've been watching. I'm using my outside bar indicators and Harami indicators on a 3-minute. Just kind of something I've been paying attention to. Haven't really been trading it yet. It's just, it kind of give you a little bit less of a stop loss, so it's not as wide. So I'm just something I have up on my chart. I'm not really trading it yet, but just having it on my chart. It was funny, I was messing around with that thumbnail, and it's not a very great picture of myself, but because the AI kind of messed with it a little bit, but I was like scowling on my first pick, so I told the AI to make me smile with no teeth. But then it made, then I tried one of the smiling with the teeth. I'll show you guys in a second. It's kind of funny. Alright, I just posted on the Discord. Let me pull it up. Check out this. Hey Keegan, what is up? check out that thumbnail that AI did. I didn't do that smile. AI did that. Kind of funny. Yeah, it looks like another inside bar about ready to form here. Hey, Rock Driller in the house. Hey, level 2, what is up? Helpful in the house. Have I traded with Elite Trader Funded? No, I haven't. They have a crazy promo right now. Yeah, I heard. No, I haven't. They had some crazy rules, but I believe they've worked on changing them. But I never traded with them. So, Max in the house. What is up? What a day. Yeah, pretty good day. I did do something stupid. I did blow 2 accounts though. They've gotten better. Yeah, that's what I've heard. The static accounts. Funded next, my funded futures, yeah. So funded next won't give me a code. It's ridiculous. Oh, is that design? Is that where the Elite Trader funded? Yeah. It's kind of looking like a good long, discretionary long. Hey Kenneth, which prop firm has the shortest days to pay out? They usually are between 3 to 5 days for the most part. My funded futures, I believe Tradeify has lowered their payout days as well. My funded futures, 5 days of $100 or more. It's pretty quick. Especially if you reset a core count, so you can literally do it in 5 days. Yeah, most of them are about 3 to 5 days. If I think, I want to say, what is it? Yeah, my funded futures is pretty quick. 5 days, Kenneth. Really thinking about a long here, but very discretionary. No, it's not an inside bar. Close. I don't know if no. I was thinking maybe MNQ did. 3 minute put in one. Have you ever watched that, Biblical, on the 3 minute? I've been paying attention to this 3 minute. It's been working pretty good. Rejecting PLC on gold. Boy, that's pretty bullish candle though. Looking like it might want to push up into that gap. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Biblical. Yeah, I should too, right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I hear you, biblical. Yeah, sometimes I get caught like trying to do it for the stream, and that's full honesty. I might take a Harami short here. What's ES doing? What is up, Zabak? What's going on, man? Nice, biblical. So you were down. Trading the inside bars, clapped $2,100, made it all back, and then more today, following the rules. Let's go. Glad to hear it. I'm glad that the strategy is helping some people for sure. I am long. It's the bomb, really. I just need, there's more to it than just an inside bar. I need more confluences like three other things. Yeah, for sure. Half tempted to look for a long off YM. All this Harami here. Probably is UB low. Oh, IB low, yeah. I feel like my initial balance is not set right. Yeah, we are literally right at it. Well, outside bar here. This could be a bear flag as well. Could now go through, created a 45-minute OB. Bear on the 5, bull on the 1. Really need ES to hold up here. See if you can break up through the 906s. Break that outside bar as well, which would be nice. Be patient here. See if we actually break to the upside, but it does feel like a bear flag at the moment. NVIDIA heading back up. Let's go. That's what we need. NVIDIA to pump. I mean, you really should have NVIDIA pulled up on your screen like you do, JC Trades. I mean, that's the key. It's the key indicator. It's NVIDIA. Come on, stay above that 23,900. TCG Andy in the house. What is up, TCG? Inside buy. Come on, it wants to go now. Adding. Boy, it is struggling, isn't it? Alright, stopped out there. I'm actually gonna flip the switch. Broke the bear flag. Took one off. Still trying to hold that low. Good call. Looks bearish fractal structure. Yeah, we just kind of broke that bear flag too. Boy, it was really struggling. Like, you could just feel it. Like, it just felt heavy. It just did not want to push up. Outside bar. Might actually, if we get a push below 880s, might add into it. Looking for the push to the lows. Let's see if I can. Let's see, 306. Can't make more than 1500 on it. Oh, right, biblical, yeah, for sure. NVDA broke the VWAP to the downside, or? ES dumping, let's go. I just added in third contract. How many accounts can you have, Kenneth? 5. Yep. Hey, Thomas, if you're up 2.1K, then yeah, for sure. I'd be done. I mean, I'm up pretty good. I mean, if I wasn't streaming right now, I'd be at lunch. But I'm only gonna stream for a little bit longer. Take a break and then go eat, go for a walk. I haven't done any exercise today. Then come back for tonight's stream. Well, we swept the overnight lows. Now what? I know. Exactly. That's kind of the reason why I was along initially, but it's definitely feeling choppy. Top of the hour here in 2 minutes. Swept the overnight low, swept the news candle low. Oh yeah, I go every single day. Yeah, Thomas. No, I go every single day. I either go for a walk, I do cardio, I do weightlifting every other day, and then I go do cardio or some sort of walking or something. Or I go for bike rides. Not an electric bike either. One that you actually have to pedal. Every other day. So yeah, you got to. I mean, doing this. I mean, the standing desk too is definitely helped my back. Sitting on a computer has killed my back. Well, it's not the reason why my back's screwed up, but sitting at the computer did not help. Keep an eye out, 906.5. We failed, push new low and break above, likely run back up. But I was just long, lobber dauber. I cannot do that. No, yeah, you're probably right. Oof. Gross. Just gonna close it. Take the L. I'm gonna close it, take the L. Getting chopped. Do I trade favorite value gaps? No, I trade inside bars. 5-minute inside bars and outside bars. Yeah, it could still dump. Yeah, for sure. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's very choppy right now. It's just going sideways for the most part. I mean, they're just overlapping each other. It's trying to decide, like, you know, like Red Candle says, trying to decide. Swept the overnight low, and now what? I think I was just in too heavy. I'm gonna go short again. We'll risk it. Off the original. Outside, inside bar. Get stopped out here and I'll be done. $896.50s. Dump it. Yeah, I agree. I got in minis by accident earlier and was full port. Luckily, I made it out with a small paper cut for the day. I did that at max earlier on Apex account. I meant to go in 4. Well, I put in 4 minis, but looking for 1 mini each account, and it was in one account. It was 4 minis. I was like, oh. And it kind of like immediately went red and I went down by like 180 bucks like instantly. I was like, damn it. On a funded account too. But sometimes the best thing to do is when you fat finger a trade like that is just to get out immediately, no matter what. I mean, sometimes it can kind of go in your favor, but not every time, you know. Hey Nao, what is up? I'm 1 contract short, going for the low, $100 stop. Let's go, Thomas. Good luck. Dangerous marketing sense trading out of boredom. Yeah, for sure. You can, for sure. so funny. Every time I live stream, I get someone that comes in here and gives me a thumbs down every single time. It's so hilarious. This is one thumbs down, so smash the like button. Thumbs up, please. Alright, so we get a push down now. I really want to add if we break below 80. This could be a mistake, but I really want to push it. Because if we break down through that low, I think we could really go. I'm actually going to place an ad right here. It's going to completely ruin my average in, but I think we could make a new leg lower. Rock trailer's probably methodical. Yeah, that's what I think. It just never fails. It's like, it's hilarious. It's like okay, I admit it. It's not me. I admit it. Yeah. I know it's not TCG Andy. He won my very first giveaway ever. What was that TCG, like 9 months ago or something? 8 months ago? I don't know how long I've been streaming now. Live. 7 months. I passed at 250K. Oh, you did? I did too, TCG. Yeah, I passed at 250K today. Not an easy feat, right? I was actually like very happy about it. All right, we're trying to push down. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait on the ad. I just decided against it. There's just no momentum. Not the momentum that I like to feel as we're, trying to flush. Terry trades 100 in the house. What is up, Terry? Yes, trouble. How you doing today, Terry? How's your trading going? I mean, kind of bearish. So for a perma bear like yourself, I feel like you're doing okay. Let's go, Thomas. Yeah. Not financial advice, but don't do the one more trade. That always gets me in trouble. Nice day today, though. 2.4K. Let's go. I like it. There's always tomorrow. The market will always be here for you. Doing good today? Let's go. Glad to hear it, Terry. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. That's definitely gonna be some fun. Hopefully I can get some more accounts passed. Wow, we're gonna hold the low. Still trying to pass the 300K. Yet to pass one. Need 3 more days for. Need 3 more for 20 Apex PAs. Oh, nice, Andy. Holy cow. Yeah, very tough to pass those 250Ks and 300Ks. Very tough. I passed like a 300K once maybe, but it was kind of luck. I just full ported it. But yeah, I mean, it can be done with patience. But the trailing drawdown, it's tough. Gotta make 15,000 to pass a 250K Apex account. Apex is on discount right now, 80% off. Use code PINE. I appreciate it. Buellnox as well. If you guys are interested in the end of day option 2, that's 75% off. Use code PINE2. But if you want the regular 83% off on the 25K option 1s, just regular old Pine will work for Buellnox. And then Pine on everything else. For all your prop firm needs. Even Sam's Club and Costco might even accept Pine. Just saying. Doesn't hurt to ask. Yeah, okay, Thomas. Yeah, that one more trade can bite you in the ass, especially if you're up nicely in the green day. To be honest with you, I would be done myself, but we are hanging out, slinging some contracts. See if we can make a new leg lower, if we can break down through those lows. Solo trades, what is up? Yeah, I decided I'm kind of testing out some the mobile, the YouTube Shorts mobile, and doing a dual stream right now. So kind of testing it out. And yeah, smash the notification bell, guys. You never know when I'm gonna pop on. This is my job, so if I feel the urge, I will pop on. Most of the time I'm out playing in the afternoons. No, not really. I'm usually making content or working out or slinging contracts, being a DGen usually. But one of the three. So you guys are just tuning in. We took a nice inside bar play right up in here for the short. Obviously, in hindsight, could have just held this first trade here. And then we tried to hop in long, little discretionary play, looking to get up into this inefficiency or fair value gap up in here, but did not play out. We put in this inside bar. I was still long. I ended up flipping the switch short. I was in 3 contracts. Took some heat. Ended up closing it out once we put in this inside bar here, and then I just decided to hop back in, thinking that I was just in too many contracts, too heavy, and so that's what I ended up hopping in on. Can't speak. What am I trading right now? This is currently a My Funded Futures eval. But I trade on mostly Trade-Avate and Project X. I trade with Bulenox, My Funded Futures, Top Step, Apex, Take Profit Trader, which I should have a funded account tomorrow. That is my favorite prop firm, Take Profit Trader. Still currently 40% off. Tradeify as well. I trade with them. Funding Ticks. I also trade with them. So I trade with a bunch. It's whoever has a good deal. Oh, nice, Thomas. Yeah. Take Profit Trader is my favorite. I mean, I screwed up my accounts last week, but I'm gonna get wild here and actually add to the short. I think we're gonna break down through the lows. This could hurt though. Come on, get down through there. Yeah, trade days. Been working on those too. Some evals behind the scenes. So, yeah, Thomas, I like trade day too because it's daily payouts as well. It's just, and I like the end of day accounts for trade day, but you have to trade those evals for 7 days, which is a little bit of pain in the ass. Because they work the same for the daily payouts. But trade day, Pine with a capital P is the discount code. It is case sensitive with trade day. Alright, I'm taking off some risk. I'm just going to move my stop down a little bit because I am in 2 contracts. And I don't want to really nuke this account right off the rip. So just gonna kind of move it up just a little bit, or move it down, I should say. Do I copy trade across firms or trade one at a time? So I copy trade within the firm. So like usually my funded future accounts, like if I have like 5 of them, then I'm gonna copy trade them all at once. And then I'll switch to like Apex and copy trade all those at once, and so on. I don't use a third-party copy trader or anything like that where we just kind of swept the lows there really quickly, where I copy trade all the firms at once. I've thought about it, but lately it's like I kind of been struggling a bit in the last few weeks. Just basically just trading mentality, so I decided not to copy trade everything at once. There we go, this is the push. Taking one off there. The other one's at break even. Profit there. So so let's recap that trade right there. Basically this inside bar was a little tricky. So our friend Biblical in the chat, he trades the inside bars a little bit differently, and for that reason he stayed out of that long. So I take the break, the first breaks, which work, you know, just fine. He does it a little bit differently. He waits for the break, but he also waits for a close of the next candle. So this candle, so put an inside bar here. This candle is swept up above. came back down in, and then closed below the outside bar. So then he would win in short, where I was stuck in long. So that's how he trades it. I think either way it kind of works fine. He's doing very well. It's something that I have been looking at, so, which is pretty awesome. Thomas. Yeah, for sure. That's what I do. I trade them in 2 days. I get that 50% with Take Profit Trader, and then I just flip. Yep. Nice, Thomas. You went short for $300. I am done for this afternoon. Thank you, Rufio. Thank you, JC Trades. A lot of ads today. I wonder if it's because of I'm running the mobile Lobber Dobber. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I wonder if it's because of the mobile. See, I don't really know because I got premium, YouTube Premium, but for the music and stuff, it's awesome. But yeah, guys, smash that like button. I will be back tonight, 5:45 Eastern time. And we'll do it again, right? Nice trading. Ended green. We were up like $450, so we did get back some. So not gonna lie. But thanks for hanging out, and we'll do it again tonight. Let's see if I can do the little end scene. See if that works. For those of you guys that don't usually yeah. All right, guys. Peace.
I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinch trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I'm waiting for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring.